Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CMSI for identity and enrollment verification step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type the URL for the CMSI download page into the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the download section. Identify the appropriate version of CMSI for your operating system. Click on the download link for that version. Wait for the download to initiate. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. When prompted, accept the terms and conditions. Choose the desired installation directory or accept the default. Click the Install button to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, open the CMSI application from your desktop or Start menu. You may be prompted to log in or create an account to use the software. If creating an account, fill in the necessary information is required. After logging in, navigate to the Identity Verification section within the application. Follow the instructions provided to initiate the identity and enrollment verification process. Complete all necessary fields and upload any required documents. Review your entries for accuracy and completeness. Once everything is confirmed, submit your verification request. Wait for confirmation of your identity verification via email or within the application. If any issues arise during the process, consult that. You have now successfully downloaded and set up CMSI for identity and enrollment verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.